Hello everyone, today I'm going to compare this Fellow Aiden top of the line coffee maker that's supposed to be the best coffee pour over coffee in the world with this Ninja, which is doesn't get as much love, but I actually think it's incredible. And I think the taste is about the same, and I know that's sacrilegious to say that. I am a coffee snob and I still say that as a coffee snob. So let's get into it. Let's do the test as fairly as possible using these Fellow Aiden pour over glasses. So I'm going to grind the coffee. I'm gonna make enough for both. I'm using these high quality coffee beans. So let's put in enough coffee beans there. And let's make enough for 3 cups. Alrighty, let's put in about half into here. About half into here. Okay, roughly the same. Let's put these identical glasses in here. Put identical glasses in here. Let's do guided brew. Let's do medium roast. Let's do 7.5 ounces. About 14 grams. I think that's reasonable that I put in about 14 grams. And we're gonna start these about the same time. Yeah. So let's do the rich setting. Let's start. Okay. Medium roast. Here we go. Fellow smells pretty good. You don't get as much as an aroma from the Ninja. But they're still both going. Got 2 minutes left on the left one. Okay, the Ninja just finished. The Fellow still has 24 seconds, but they both run about the same. Both take about the same time to brew a 7.5 ounce cup. The Ninja brewed, looks like a little bit more than 7.5 ounces, but they're roughly comparable. Okay, they're both done. So this here is the Fellow. The Fellow is on the left, and the Ninja is on the right. And I want you to just look at the color of both. Interestingly enough, the Ninja is a little bit darker color. A little bit darker color, but not a noticeable difference. A little bit more bubbles in the Ninja than the Fellow. And I'm gonna do a taste test now. So I am now going to taste the Fellow. It's pretty good. Closing my eyes, now trying the Ninja. They both taste about the same. I'm not joking, folks. Let me do this again. I would even say that the Ninja one brew tastes better. Yeah, I think I prefer the Ninja brew. It's a little bit, it's not as bitter. For some reason, this is a little bit bitter, even though it's supposed to be the best pour-over coffee in the world. I don't know, folks. I actually don't see it. I don't see it's worth it. Hope this review was helpful to some of you for making a decision. All the best. Peace.